need to do something with these boats. So something is going to mean grabbing a smaller brush and laying in some color. So I think that's going to be maybe this one, or maybe this one. It's one of the few times I use small brushes. In general, I don't like small brushes. Even a big brush goes to a small point. So you can make a nice big mark and don't have to change brushes, and you can get a lot of paint put down before you have to change. So let's see what we can do here. Here's the whole of this red guy. Rough paper is going to be a little bit of a bumpy surface. I think that's probably a good thing. This is going to be a very bright spot in the otherwise dull scene. Of course, that's the idea. This is a turquoise, or is that a cobalt green? I'm not sure. Either way, I like it. And I'm going to lay it in for this boat color. I'd originally intended to make these boats a little bigger, and I didn't actually do it. But I think we'll be okay. Gotta let those dry a bit. I've got these hoist things. That's where they drop the boat in the water. And I've always hated those things. Always worry they're going to drop your boat in the wrong time. Okay, so that's drying. And we're going to go in and put a little bright blue on it. And I'm going to call that bright blue cobalt, I think. That might work.